Hello, my most amazing artists. I'm so glad that you came and joined us in the art room today. I have all of these things back here. What do they look like to you? I hope you said lines, and that's what we're going to use to create our artwork today. So I have a little line video for you to watch. Make sure you watch it if you missed class, and it's going to show us all the different kinds of lines that we're going to use in our project, and I have them up right there. Let's go over them real quick. We have vertical, horizontal, diagonal, spiral, wavy like the ocean, wavy like the hills, zigzag, broken, castle, dotted, and curly. Whew! All those lines in one artwork. Let's get started. All right, so you need to fold your paper in half like a hot dog bun. Make sure you line up those points and it's good and folded, and then open it up, and then we need to cut our paper right in half. So we have two pieces of paper. We're only going to use one, so you can use the other one in case you mess up. Alright, so I'm going to start at the top of my paper, and all I'm going to do is pick one line to draw from one side of the paper to the other. I'm going to make sure that I'm pressing down really hard with my black crayon because we want our lines to be nice and waxy. We're going to create a crayon resist painting. So make sure that you're holding your crayon to where you can really press down hard. If it breaks, it's okay. Mine's a broken crayon. It'll still work great for you. Just take your time, pick one line, draw it from one side all the way to the other, and we start at the top and work our way down. Take your time and get them all in there. So now that it's all drawn, let's add some color to it. So you're going to dip your brush in the water, and then you're just going to carefully swirl it around the paint. You'll know that you have enough paint whenever you can see the paint on your brush. Hold your paintbrush like you would your crayon, your marker, or your colored pencil, and then just carefully paint inside the lines. You want to really take your time and go slow with this so you don't just put colors anywhere. Really think about where you want to paint. And when you need more paint, dip it in the water, go to your color, swirl it around. When you're ready to switch colors, all you're going to do is gently press your brush's hair to the bottom of your cup, swirl it around, and then dry your brush off. Dip it in the water and then pick whatever color you want to use. Just don't paint on top of a color that you've already did. We want to make sure we're painting one color per section. Notice I have that big purple section in between my wavy like the hills line and my zigzag line. I'm going back, and where my small little vertical lines were, I painted green, and then I went back and added blue. In between my zigzag and horizontal line, I have red, and then I painted inside that thick horizontal line orange. Notice I'm taking my time. I hold my paintbrush like I do my crayon, and I'm going slowly. I know it looks fast right now because I'm made the time go by faster, but I'm taking my time going inside the lines and not rushing. I have brown and black on my paint tray, but I would really like for us to use our primary and secondary colors. Let's keep it to using the red, yellow and blue, and orange, green, and purple. Notice I'm using purple again. You can repeat the colors as you paint too. However you want to paint your project is totally fine by you. I just want you to just think like an artist. Dip that paintbrush in the water, swirl it around the paint, keeping it nice and neat. You don't want to use too much water because then it can be really messy and your color would be really light. But you don't want to use too little water because then you won't have any paint. You just need just the right amount of water to get that paint moving for you. I hope you guys have so much fun painting. Take your time, and I can't wait to see it. And don't forget to do the little bitty areas too if you have some, like inside your curly lines and inside your broken lines. Can't wait to see it, guys. Take your time.
All right, guys, look at this amazing artwork. I know yours is gonna look even better. So all we did was make sure we used each one of these lines that we saw in our checklist. You can repeat the lines if you need to, and then we learned how to paint, and we painted inside the lines, and this artwork looks amazing no matter which way we turn it. I hope you guys had so much fun painting, and I cannot wait to see your artwork. Make sure you upload it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.